Number 6, Racing Jesse started. We have Sun's World Break quickly to start, running by the release twice as lucky. Then next on line is Leonora's Angel, Blanche Rose, Oxygen, Red Wine, second last, while Gran Torino is steered the trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. We have Sun's World now takes command by what ahead, running by the release twice as lucky. Then 5 lengths further back in third comes Leonora's Angel, Oxygen now in fourth, and in fifth Blanche Rose, Gran Torino now second last, while Red Wine now racing in last. And at the fourth turn we have twice as lucky now takes command, and on the outside Sun's World. And here comes Leonora's Angel now joining them on the outside, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have twice as lucky. Leonora's Angel is on the outside, Sun's World in between horses. We have Leonora's Angel now takes command, Bowling and a half, twice as lucky. And on the outside now is Sun's World. Oxygen is down in fourth. Last 100 meters we have Leonora's Angel by about 4 lengths. And finally it's Leonora's Angel, twice as lucky, Gran Torino, Sun's World, Red Wine, Oxygen, and Blanche Rose.
So it's 2, 3, 5, and 6.